Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So Google Pixel 5 spotted on AI benchmark with the Snapdragon 765G. Google offered Wagyu detail for its upcoming Google Pixel 5 during the Pixel 4a launch event and only disclosed its market availability alongside a side profile shoot. Even before that, however, there was a speculation that the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 765G chipset, and now we go further confirmation as it was seen on AI benchmark with the very same SoC chip. We can also see the phone will come with 8 GB of RAM and boots the yet to be released the new Android 11. Past leaks have also revealed the Google Pixel 5 could arrive with the reverse wireless charging and is expected to retail in the $700 price range. There is also talk of the XL model, which will bear with the Bramble code name. In terms of the design, the Pixel 5 series is expected to adopt a punch hole cutout display and a dual camera setup on the back side. The Google Pixel 5 and 4a 5G will be available in the US, Canada, and the UK, Ireland, France, Germany, Japan, Taiwan, and Australia. Google said it will share more detail in the upcoming months, but given the company past track record, we should see plenty of leaks before any official announcement detail. We have already seen the Google Pixel 5 and 5 XL render as well, and the render show the punch hole display, and the backside it has two cameras like the Google Pixel 4 and the 4 XL, and the Google Pixel 5 and the 5 XL has a volume rocker and power button placed on the right side with USB Type-C port located at the bottom and 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. Some leaker says the Google Pixel 5 XL measure 153.8 by 74 multiplied by 8.5mm and thickness goes up to 9.5mm if we include the camera bump. So this is the latest leaks about the upcoming Google Pixel 5 and 5 XL. Let's see in upcoming days. We have seen the AI benchmark and the phone is with come this 765G chipset. This is a leaks and the price maybe should $800 or $700 for the Google Pixel X and the Google Pixel 5 XL. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out and bye.